Hey guys, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are showing you how to use Oink if you are just doing Amazon Associates. So maybe you don't have Amazon Influencer, you're only doing offsite sales by sharing associate links. This is so important to check to make sure you are getting your creator connections. So one thing about Oink is that it matches up either content you have or sales that you've made with creator connections. So you want to make sure that you are in creator connections. And I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm also going to show you how I've basically doubled my income the past few months by doing this one tool on Oink called Today's Deals. This is a pro feature of Oink worth every penny. You can get 10% off with my code. The code is in the description below, or just go to search Oink and then type in Piggy, Piggy, and that will give you 10% off. So let me show you how to do this. So you will go to your earnings report once you have Oink enabled, and you will click Fetch Today's Sales. You can either click just today if you've run this recently, or today and yesterday. And then once it runs, you're going to click Close. Then you're going to go over to the Creator Connections tab and scan. Make sure that the auto accept button is checked. And then you're going to click Check Today's Sales, and it's going to run a scan. Now, I don't have any sales or any Creator Connections matches for this round of sales that I have. But if you do, they will pop up. You will see a list of ASINs that it opted you into those campaigns. And that way you are going to be able to grab that Creator Connections commission, which you earn on top of your normal Amazon commission. And so it's phenomenal and amazing. And so once you do that, that's how you can use this for your offsite sales, your associate sales. Now, if you have offsite and onsite, you do have influencer status, you're either sharing your storefront or you have onsite videos, then let's show you how to do this and check for your onsite. So if you also have on-site sales, what you can do is you go to your earnings report and you will go under your on-site ID. Now, there is a little hack to be able to see your today's sales. You'll need to see my other video on how to do that. But whether you can see your sales or not, you click Fetch Today's Sales, and you can either do for today or for today and yesterday. You're going to scan through everything. And I do this at minimum twice a day. During peak sales things like Black Friday and Prime Days, I do this more often. But once you scan, just click Close, and then you're going to head over to the Creator Connections tab and click the Creator Connections check. Make sure that top box is checked to automatically accept campaigns. And it's going to go through and scan all of the campaigns available with your ASINs and cross-check to see if there are any campaigns that it can opt you in. Now, it will also check if there are campaigns that maybe you're in a campaign, but the brand has a better campaign. Either it's a higher percentage or it has a longer end date out. So it will opt you into that. So it's going to scan, and then it's going to give you a list of ASINs that it's opted you in for. And those will be found in your active tab on Creator Connections. Sometimes it takes a little time for that to show up, but this tool alone has pretty much doubled my income since it was released. And I think he released this back in mid-July, the first week or two of July. And it has just been phenomenal. I run this twice a day, and it has really impacted my sales and my commissions and my paycheck. And I'm so grateful for this. Again, it's a pro feature worth every penny. And right now, as of November 21st, you can use my code, get into the annual plan before the annual plan goes up. It's going to go up to $249. You can still use my code to get 10% off once that price goes up. But if you're seeing this before it goes up, hop on now so you're grandfathered into that lower price. So hope this helps. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.